Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to insert picture on home screen's Google Docs on computer. So how to insert picture on home screen's Google Docs on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Docs on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Docs work page. To add a picture, just point the cursor to the top of the screen. Here there are several menu options. Tap this Insert menu. Now several options will appear. And tap the Image menu. Here there are lots of choices of places to take pictures. Here I will insert from my computer. Tap Upload FO Computer. Now here it will enter the Windows folder of your computer. Here select the image that you will insert. You can see here I have successfully inserted the picture into Google Docs. How to insert picture on home screen's Google Docs on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.